In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Bing from Google Chrome. If Bing keeps appearing as your default search engine or home page, this guide will help you switch back to your preferred search engine and remove any unwanted settings. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Search Engine. Next to Search Engine used in address bar, choose your preferred search engine, such as Google. Then click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Under the Search Engines list, find Bing, click the three dots next to it and select Delete if the option is available. If Bing is currently set as the default search engine, change the default first before removing it. Next, check for unwanted extensions. Open the three-dot menu, select Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Remove any suspicious extensions or toolbars that may have changed your search settings. If Bing also opens as your startup page or home page, go to Settings, then on Startup, and remove any Bing pages you don't want. Also check Appearance and update the Home button page if Bing is set there. Finally, go to Privacy and Security, select Delete Browsing Data, then Clear Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Restart Chrome to make sure all changes take effect. That's how to remove Bing from Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.